Become a certified confidence coach. Have you ever had a client who had great potential and ideas, and maybe even a great plan, but who didn't follow through? Or maybe you've experienced this yourself. The truth is, we are often our own worst enemies. We know what we need to do, but we don't do it. We procrastinate. We talk ourselves out of it. Our inner critic goes on the attack. We develop self-doubt. We become paralyzed. You see, we created this program because we have seen so many life coaches try to help their clients boost their self-confidence by unintentionally giving terrible advice. They try to boost their clients' self-esteem so that they can feel good about themselves. They encourage them to focus on their abilities and affirm that everything will turn out great. But unfortunately, all this does is make the client feel good in the moment, but it doesn't develop true confidence. You see, having to feel good about yourself discourages you from stepping outside of your comfort zone. And needing to feel confident in your abilities makes you avoid trying anything that you might be bad at. So in this course, we're not going to give you some secret formula or quick fix for giving your clients an ego boost. We're going to dive deep into the most up-to-date, leading-edge research into the psychology of success and what creates genuine, long-term, unshakable confidence. This certification program will help you understand the limiting beliefs and behaviors that lead to self-doubt and low self-confidence. It will give you a blueprint of proven processes for creating a confidence coaching plan that meets each client's unique needs. Whether they're trying to feel more empowered, overcome procrastination, make a big life change, express themselves better, overcome fear, or improve their competency in any skill.
Having a structured confidence coaching program to follow will give you the tools that you need to coach your clients to success. But even more importantly, you'll develop a true confidence as a coach by applying what you've learned in this course to your own life. You'll find that having a solid plan is fantastic, but knowing that you can trust yourself to be flexible, learn, and adjust as the different needs and desires arise during the coaching process with different clients is the true confidence that both you and your clients are looking for.
So who are we? We are Joelle and Natalie Rivera, and in over a decade in the fields of life coaching, personal development, and entrepreneurship, we have worked with tens of thousands of people, and we have over 50,000 students from 185 countries. All of our programs are designed based on our experience in coaching, social services, psychology, education, and as entrepreneurs, as well as Joelle's master's degree in counseling and education and his research on happiness for his dissertation for his PhD in psychology. We look forward to seeing you in the course.